Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look and take a look at the euro versus US dollar. Today's date is November 22nd, 2024. Let's get started. You know, it might be important to take a look at this 4-hour chart and see what we're doing in the euro versus US dollar, especially when we look back on time all the way up to this high prices right here. These high prices tested this high price right here and it started to rotate to the downside. Fell below things like these moving averages, increasing the market's momentum. Then below this swing area through here, which fell below, when we fell below that level, increased selling pressure. Then down to this swing area, found some support. Then below moving averages through here, just held below the 200-day moving average here, pushed down to another swing area down through here where we found support. Buyers, not one but two different weeks, and then rotated back to the upside. That rotation to the upside came right up to the 100-day moving average, found willing sellers. And then it was back down, back below the 200-day moving average, holding the 100-bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, moving lower, moving down to this triple bottom through here. You see how these technical levels really did their job on this trend move to the downside. Then below these lows right through here. What was key in trading this week, in fact, matters of fact, was the high prices came right into that swing area, found willing sellers, and pushed to the downside on another swoosh lower. Today, that momentum increased as the flash PMI data came out much weaker than expected, rotated all the way to the downside. So that demonstration is showing how the technicals did their job and how the market's been trending to the downside. Now, where are we now? You see this 1.0405 level. The importance of that level comes actually from the daily chart. If I go to the daily chart and take a look at this 104.05 level, that level represents the 50% midpoint of the move up from the 2022 low to the 2023 high. 50% midpoint comes in at that 1.0405 level. And it wasn't until this week, or as a matter of fact today, that the price fell below that 104.05 level on its way down to another swing area defined by these lows going back to here. And we broke below those levels right through here and then came up to that level before moving to the downside on the way back up to the upside. We did trade above and below this level, so I can't necessarily say it's all that great, but in trading here today, we fell below that level, 103.48 to 103.65, and that's going to be the next key target on the downside for traders today and going forward. Move below that level, it opens the doors for further downside momentum in the euro versus US dollar. On the top side, the 50% retracement is really close, is going to be close resistance now, with the price currently trading below that level of 1.0396. Sellers are making another play in that currency pair at the moment. Taking a look at the hourly chart, this is the range for trading this week. And as you can see, after the price moved sharply to the downside, we corrected higher, but we found resistant sellers against the 38.2% retracement of the week's trading range. That was a good hold. That makes this a corrective move off of the low, a plain vanilla variety. If you can't get above the 38.2% retracement, are the buyers winning? No, they are not. So the sellers can remain in control. We're back below the 104.05 level right through here. Just barely, but we're trying to make sellers making another play below that level. If they can stay below that level, the downside lows from today's trading would be the next key targets. Ultimately, if the price were to move back above the 38.2% retracement, that might take some of the pressure off the selling. Move above the 50% would be another key barometer to get to and through. Ultimately, if the price is going to go higher, and let's say in next week's trading, we got to get back above the 100-hour moving average and the 200-hour moving average. Both these levels come in at 1.0573 or 37 and 52 respectively, and moving lower. So there'll be earlier hurdles as time goes by. But the first things first, if the price can't get above the 38.2% retracement, if the price stays below the 1.0405 level, the sellers are winning, the buyers are not winning. My name is Greg McCloskey with a technical look at the euro versus US dollar. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.